And resilient supply chains are key to national security and economy, experts feel. DD India correspondent Prasar Bharati caught up with the Economic Advisory Council member to the Prime Minister of India at the Chanakya Defence Dialogue to find out more.
We are here at the Chanakya Defence Dialogue, and I have with me Dr. Sanjeev Sanyal from the Prime Minister's Economic Council. Dr. Sanyal, when you say ships, chips and information, how critical are they in the changing geopolitical situation?
When we are talking about supply chains, we are a large economy, we import a large number of things, we export a large number of things. Now, I personally think that if you're thinking of supply chain resilience, we have got to invest and create the circumstances that we build a strong shipbuilding industry. We have much more in flagging and ownership of ships. And that requires us to begin to make certain changes in the way we, for example, classify infrastructure and so on. But I think this is something we need to pay a lot of attention to.
Now, talking about chips, it is another very important topic as far as the resilient supply chain is concerned.
Yes, I mean, moving from ships to chips. Here again, another example. We had the cars, we could build cars, we have a huge automobile industry. But because there were few chips were not available, we couldn't use them ourselves or export them. Now, you know, small countries may have to just suffer it. But we are a large country. We are the end user of many of these products. So at least for some of these things like ships or chips or APIs, we need to be willing to protect them and use industrial policy to create clusters within the country.
Talking about the Chanakya Niti and the supply chain of information, you've quoted example of Canada. So why does India need to really work on that?
Today, as we emerge as the world's third largest economy, we are not punching our weight. So we need to be a part of the global conversation, not just as a taker of information or narratives, but as a creator of information and narratives.
Dr. Sanyal has made some very important points, and definitely the experts here would work upon that. With cameraman Ajit and Keshav in Delhi, this is Vishal Baristu for DD India.